Hello, students. Back to the session of computer. We were studying chapter number 2, computer networking. So, in the previous video, we were doing the types of network. So, I have told you that network can be categorized according to its scale, its physical or geographical capacity, and for the purpose, organizational purpose, in which organization and what is the usage in particular organization. So, according to these, the networks can be of different types like LAN, PAN, MAN, WAN, and CAN. So, let us just go through these one by one. Now, first one is LAN. LAN, the local area network, is a network which is designed to operate over a small physical area such as office, factory, or a group of buildings. It is usually privately owned and links the devices in a single office, building, or campus of up to a few kilometers in size. LAN is widely used to allow resources to be shared between personal computers or workstations. The resources to be shared can be hardware like a printer, software, or data. LANs are widely used in a variety of applications. A common example of LAN found in many business organizations links a workgroup of task-related computers, example accounting and finance PCs, administrative PCs, or engineering workstations. So students, basically LAN is used for a small geographical area, means such as in home, in your office or the factories or in a building. In such places LAN is used. Okay, it is used to connect the computers up to in the range of few kilometers, okay, in a single office or in a office that is of few kilometers range. Here the data can be easily shared between the personal computers, okay, and the hardware. It can also be connected to the hardware like a printer or data, these type of things. Okay, so business organizations have these type of network. Now next one is PAN. A personal area network, PAN, is a computer network used for communication among computer devices, including telephone, mobile phones, and personal digital assistants in proximity to an individual's body. In other words, it can be defined as a network that is used for communicating among computers and computer devices, including telephones, in close proximity of around a few meters within a room. PAN can be used for communicating between the devices themselves or for connecting to a large network such as internet. PAN can be constructed with cables or be wireless. USB or firewire technologies link together a wired PAN, while wireless PAN uses Bluetooth or infrared connections. Now, PAN, personal area network. So this network is used for the communication among the devices, for example mobile phones and telephones, okay, or your smart watches, that is very much close to you, okay, that is within a range, specified range in meters basically. Okay, so within one room, suppose you have to share some data between the devices. Suppose you have heard of the application share it, so it can be used within only few meters range. Bluetooth can be used within few meters range. So in the same way, personal area network is also there. Okay, it is used to link a wired PAN. A PAN means with the help of the cables, and wireless PAN also. Wireless PAN may be the example of Bluetooth and your Wi-Fi. Now, the next one is MAN. A metropolitan area network is a computer network in which two or more computers or communicating devices or networks that are geographically separated but in the same metropolitan city are connected to each other. A MAN is set up for a larger geographical area than a LAN, ranging from several blocks of building to entire cities. A MAN might be owned and operated by a single organization but would be used by many individuals and organizations. This network often acts as a high speed network to allow sharing of regional resources. Now, MAN stands for Metropolitan Area. It means that the communication between two or more computers is possible that are very much separated from each other but in the same city. Okay, so that's where the MAN works, Metropolitan Area Network works. It is used for a larger geographical area. LAN is used for a limited building or office. It is used in a you can say a metropolitan city. It covers the entire city. Okay, so it can be operated by a single organization also, and can be used by many individuals and organizations. And the main advantage is that it connects the high speed network, so that it allows the sharing of the data very speedily. So this was all about man. Now next one is WAN. WAN stands for Wide Area Network. As the name suggests, WAN covers a large geographical area such as country, continent, or even whole of the world. A WAN is two or more LANs connected together. Multiple LANs can be connected together using devices such as bridges, routers, gateways, which enable them to share data. WAN is more suitable for transfer of data from one user to the other, which is not a time critical application as large distances involve the propagation delays and problems with variable signal travel times. An airline reservation system is an example of WAN. So students, WAN stands for Wide Area Network. Okay, Wide Area Network means it covers more geographical area than metropolitan area network. For example, it covers the entire country, continent, or even the whole world. Okay. Oh, and a WAN is also used to connect two or more LANs to each other together. Okay, and it can be connected with the help of the bridges, routers, and gateways that we'll study, which allows them to share their data. Okay, so basically WAN वहाँ पर ज़्यादा यूज़फुल होता है where the one has to share data जहाँ पर time critical applications ना use हो रही हो, means there is no time constraint, because there is so much of large distance and there might be any delay also. Okay, तो वहाँ WAN ज़्यादा यूज़ होता है जहाँ पर आपकी time constraints ना हो. Okay, now airline reservation system. Airline reservation system is an example of WAN. Now next one is CAN. A campus area network, corporate area network, or CAN is a computer network made up of an interconnection of local area networks within a limited geographical area. CAN is usually established in university campus to establish a connection among different computer labs, library, registration office, and different academic units. It is smaller than MAN. Okay. CAN ranges between LAN and MAN. Okay, it is basically a corporate area network or a campus area network which is set up in a particular university or a school or in a corporate sector. Okay, so it is used to connect lands, basically different lands. Okay, but in a limited geographical area. Suppose it is set up in a university, and the university, you know that entire university is very big, so there are many computer labs in different blocks, there are library, there's offices, there are academic units. So in that particular area, campus area network is used, but it is smaller than MAN. Now now our next topic is protocol. Okay, our next topic is protocol. Protocol basically होता क्या है? It is a standardized guidelines to follow for transmission of data and anything you want to transmit. So it is the standardized guidelines. A protocol is a system of rules that define how data is transmitted over network. In computer terminology, a protocol is usually an agreed upon or standardized method for transmitting data and or establishing communications between different devices. Protocols are established by international or industry wide organizations. Perhaps the most important computer protocol is OSI, that is Open System Interconnection, a set of guidelines for implementing networking communications between computers. So, students, as I have told you before, a protocol is a set of rules and guidelines and rules for what, that how can we transmit the data over the network. Okay, how can we just share the data and establish the communications between two computers. Okay, so these are set up by international organizations, and one of the most important protocol is OSI. ठीक है, इंटरनेशनली आपका सेट होता है और ये सबको फॉलो करने ही होते हैं प्रोटोकॉल्स. And the most important protocol is the OSI, that is Open System Interconnection. It is a set of guidelines that is used for implementing networking communications between computers. Okay, now the first one is Internet Protocol. The Internet Protocol is a network layer 3 protocol that contains addressing information and some control information that enables packets to be routed. IP represents the heart of the Internet protocols. IP has two primary responsibilities. First one is providing connectionless best effort delivery of datagram through an internetwork and providing fragmentation and reassembly of datagrams to support data links with different maximum transmission unit sizes. Okay, so IP stands for Internet Protocol. It is a नेटवर्क लेयर प्रोटोकॉल. ठीक है, ये नेटवर्क लेयर का चूँकि थर्ड लेयर होती है आपकी OSI की, तो उसका ये आपका सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट प्रोटोकॉल है. एंड इट कंटेन्स एड्रेसिंग इंफॉर्मेशन. ओके, कि क्या सपोज़ जैसे डेटा पे इस पर एक एड्रेस लगा देता है, ये जो भी आप डेटा आपको सेंड करना होता है उसको पैकेट कहते हैं. डेटा किसके फॉर्म में सेंड होता है? पैकेट्स के फॉर्म में होता है. सो वो उस पर ये एड्रेसिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन डाल देता है फॉर दैट एनेबल्स द डेटा पैकेट्स टू बी राउटेड, जो भी आपको सेंड करने होते हैं. सो IP इज़ द हार्ट ऑफ द इंटरनेट प्रोटोकॉल्स. दैट्स वाई इट इज़ नोन एज द हार्ट ऑफ द इंटरनेट प्रोटोकॉल्स. इसकी टू प्राइमरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ होती हैं. First is providing connectionless best effort delivery of datagram. Okay, it provides the best delivery, means best transmission of data packets. And second one, it is providing fragmentation, means जैसे जो बहुत बड़ा डेटा होता है, बहुत बड़े बड़े डेटा पैकेट्स होते हैं, उसको वो छोटे फ्रेगमेंट्स में डिवाइड कर देता है, छोटे पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर देता है. एंड आफ्टर दैट इट रीअसेंबल्स है. ठीक है, वापस से उसको अरेंज कर देता है with maximum transmission unit sizes. Okay, so this is the use of internet protocol. So there are certain more protocols like TCP, HTTP, FTP, SMTP, IMAP, and we will do these protocols in our next part of the video. Till then, thank you students, goodbye.